Press the Map button on the control panel or touch Map on the launch bar to display a map of the current vehicle location. Depending on settings and destination status, various types of information can be viewed on the map screen, including vehicle location, the name of the current street, the distance to and turn direction at the next guide point, waypoints along the route, location of the destination, remaining distance to the destination, and estimated travel time remaining. If available, speed limit information may also be displayed for the current road. Touch this key to change the map view to full screen. There are 3 available map orientations. Touch this icon to cycle between 3-dimensional, 2-dimensional, with the top of the map representing north, and 2-dimensional, with the top of the map representing the direction the vehicle is traveling. To move a map, touch the screen once and this cross pointer will appear. Now, simply touch the map screen and the cross pointer will be recentered at that position. When in a 2D map view, you can move the map by touching and dragging. To move the map quickly, sweep your finger in the direction you wish to move. When in the 3D map view, touch the screen and use a twist motion to rotate the map view. If you touch and hold the map screen, the map will scroll in that direction until released. Touch the scale indicator icon and then either of these icons to zoom in or out. You can also change the zoom level with a pinch in or pinch out motion on the screen. Please be aware that this feature is disabled while driving. Touch this map menu icon to access additional map options, including saving the current vehicle location in the address book, searching for nearby points of interest, changing the map orientation, color, and text size, choosing which map icons to display, setting functions for the traffic system, and canceling the currently set route. If you have scrolled the map from the current vehicle location, the map menu displays different options, allowing you to set the cross-pointer location as the destination, add the cross-pointer location as a waypoint on the current route, search for points of interest near the current vehicle location, save the map location, pointed at by the cross-pointer in the address book, delete a saved location or destination when the cross-pointer is placed over an icon. Please see your Nissan Connect Owner's Manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.